How's it going, guys? Update on the chicken coop. So what we're doing right now, putting the wall up. It's our first wall we put up. And also found some old linoleum I'm putting on the floor. Chickens can live in style this way. It also helps for cleaning. We can actually hose this stuff out. Easy to clean instead of being on the raw wood. So some linoleum, putting that down right now. Just gluing this down. We're gonna lay some more walls right there, there. This is gonna be the front right here. And start putting our boxes in once I get the walls up. So it should be pretty decent. Pretty decent here. All right.